ROVE R2-4K PRO dash cam. Built-in GPS, 5G Wi-Fi dash camera for cars. To 160pu HD 30fps dash cam with app. To point for IPS screen, night vision, WDR. 150 wide angle. 24 HR parking mode. Supports 512GB max. Brand ROVE. Model name R2-4K PRO. Orientation front. Vehicle service type minivan, bus, car, truck. Connectivity technology Wi-Fi. Special feature built-in Wi-Fi. 360-degree built-in microphone. Loop recording, parking monitor. Night vision, free ROVE app. Over-the-air firmware updates. G sensor, voice guidance. Live speed and compass, built-in supercapacitor. Built-in Geeps, built-in Wi-Fi. 360-degree built-in microphone. Loop recording, parking monitor. Night vision, free ROVE app. See more. Video capture resolution 1160p. 144p, 1080p. Included components: car mount, car charger, user manual, charging cable, installation tool. Mounting type windshield mount. Color black. 4K at recording to 160p. At 30 fps to 0.5K. At 60 fps ROVE R2-4K PRO dash. Cams is our newest and most advanced feature pack super night vision. 4K dash cam with all the bells and whistles needed. In dash cams for cars this 2023. Pair your smartphones with advanced 5G Wi-Fi with our R2-4K PRO dash cam. You can connect your iOS or Android devices using the latest dual band 5G and to 0.4 GHz Wi-Fi feature. With our advanced ROVE dash cam app, you can easily view, download and share your best videos with your friends and family with just one click on social media or using any messenger. You can even set up all the settings of your dash camera within our app. We provide over-the-air firmware updates using our app for free. Car cam with GPS. R2-4K PRO has built-in GPS, which records and allows you to view real-time live speed and compass on the LCD. It records precise driving routes, locations, and speed stamps directly on the video as additional evidence. Features with state-of-the-art technology. R2-4K PRO dashboard. Camera is a supercapacitor car camera. Extends product life significantly. Voice guidance and alerts. f1.5 aperture allows more light capture for small details. Time-lapse video. 150 wide angle 7 glass lens. Emergency video lock. Ring of threads for optional CPL filter. Loop recording. G sensor. Supports microSD card up to 512GB not included. Recommend ROVE memory card ASIN BOBGV6W8QX. Our 24/7s. Custom design parking mode. Our R2-4K PRO offers 3 options for its custom design 24-hour parking mode with voice guidance, 1 FPS time-lapse video, motion detection, and collision detection. Hardwire kit is required by separately. ASIN BOB7-35VLX. If an event occurs in the park, then the camera will record a full 1-min video, lock it safely in an event folder, and give you a voice alert the next time you start your car, letting you know that event has occurred while you were away.